Hi guys, it's Jerlene with Sephora Hollywood and Highland, and I'm so glad to be back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to highlight and contour for deep skin. If you guys want to see how to get this glowy look, keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm starting off with my eyes already done. So first I'm going to be starting off with this new primer from Milk Makeup, Hydro Grip Primer. Now I really love this primer for hydrating my skin before applying foundation. So it's hemp-derived cannabis seed extract, which is great for hydrating, smoothing the skin, and also soothes the skin, which is great for any skin type. And it's called Hydro Grip, which is a great name because it really does just grip to your foundation. It has a tacky texture. You want to let it dry for about a minute before applying anything on top of it. Next, I'm going to be moving on to foundation. So I'm going in with the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Performance Wear Liquid Foundation Broad Spectrum SPF 20. And I'm going to be cocktailing that with the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in Rose Gold. And this just gives me a nice, natural, healthy glow. And the shade of the Bare Minerals foundation is in Cappuccino. Okay, so I'm going to be using a couple pumps of the Bare Minerals foundation along with a couple of drops of the Custom Enhancer Drops from Cover FX. I'm going to be applying that with my Sephora Pro Collection brush in number 47. So I like to start on the outer perimeter of my face and then go in. It kind of gives you more of a natural finish and doesn't look cakey. This foundation is also great because it does have SPF 20, but it doesn't give you that flashback, but it still protects you while you're out. So as you guys can see, as I'm applying the foundation, it's not totally matte. It gives me a nice, healthy glow, and that's the reason why I like to add the Custom Enhancer Drops. So I like to apply the product with a brush first and then finish off with a beauty blender to buff everything out so it looks nice and seamless. So the brush does help with a more full coverage. Then I like to go in with my beauty blender to give me a more natural appearance and buff out any harsh lines. So now I'm going in with my Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. And I like to use two shades, one to conceal and one to highlight and bring brightness to my face. So the first shade I'm going to be using is Toffee, and the brighter shade is going to be Mocha. So I like to do the technique which is called the triangle of light, which is a little bit past your under eye, right before the end of your nose. So I like to add the lighter concealer underneath the dark concealer to brighten and highlight where the light would naturally hit me. So this concealer does have hyaluronic acid in it, which is going to keep your skin nice and hydrated. And I like to take a damp beauty blender to go ahead and blend out all the concealer. I like to take the pointy side to fit right into my eye and just buff and blend everything out. And when I blend out my nose, I like to pinch the beauty blender just so it fits right on the bridge of my nose, and then blend everything out with the bottom of the beauty blender. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. Love using this setting powder. Gives you a nice natural finish. This powder is also great for all skin types and tones without leaving you any kind of harsh flashback. So now with the remaining product on the beauty blender, not adding any extra, I just take it and apply it right underneath where I would naturally contour. And I have a little excess powder on my nose just to let it sit and bring that brightness to my face. So now to contour my face, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Sun Stalker Instant Warmth Bronzer. And I love to take the shade Mocha Mommy and apply it to the hollows of my cheeks and also to contour my nose. So with Sephora Collection brush number 74, I'm going to be applying the bronzer to the hollows of my cheeks and taking it up to the temples. And I like to use this brush in a circular motion because it gives me a nice natural finish and it helps blend out all the product evenly. So taking the Sephora Collection brush number 19, I'm going to be sweeping that on each side of my nose and taking it up to my brow to give me a more natural finish. So now with Sephora Collection brush number 91, I'm going to be sweeping that over my entire face to remove any excess powder. So a quick tip with my nose contour, I like to take a damp beauty blender, the one that I use for my foundation, to go ahead and buff out the rest of my contour on my nose. That helps with blending and giving you that natural effect. So to finish off this beautiful look, I'm going in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. This stuff is amazing. When it says all night, it literally means all night. Your makeup ain't going nowhere. So go ahead and fan out your setting spray, let it lock everything in, and once it's dry, you're ready to go. All right, guys, so this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and leave down some of your favorite highlighting contour tips, and go ahead and make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.